What's up?
If you're planning to stay in Hoi An and looking for a hotel with good value for money, then I found just the right one for you. Ancient Haven Hotel is a place I can honestly just recommend, and here's why. First off, the staff really stood out. When we arrived, they took the time to sit down with us, showed us a map, and explained everything you can do around Hoi An. They also gave us discounts for some local family-owned shops, which was a really nice touch. There was a small mistake with the room at the beginning, but they handled it very well. They upgraded us to the balcony room, which was previously booked, and to compensate, they also gave us free breakfast. That kind of service really matters. Another cool thing is that the hotel offers free bicycles. You can easily ride around Hoi An, explore the old town, and just cruise around the area, which is a big plus. The location is also great. You're close to Hoi An Ancient Town, also known as Old Town, so getting there is easy, but the hotel is quiet and peaceful once you're back. The pool is another highlight. It's clean, quiet, and a great place to cool down or relax during the day, especially after walking around the old town. Overall, Ancient Haven Hotel offers excellent value for money, great service, and a relaxed atmosphere. If you're coming to Hoi An and want a comfortable stay without overpaying, this hotel is definitely worth checking out. And it's not just my opinion. This hotel has a 9.0 rating on Booking.com and 4.7 on Google Maps, with many guests praising the friendly staff. Link in the description for current rates on Agoda, and see ya!